In the world of manufacturing, having different products and different lines of products cost money. You might have remembered a time when SSD, HDD hard drives existed. This wasn't simply out of coincidental cost reduction efforts. And let me show you what I mean. I have this old hard drive and I'm going to open it up. Now as you see, it looks like a normal hard drive, but if we look under the front cover, it actually has an SSD integrated. Now this wasn't a hybrid drive, it just happened to have the part in there. Of course, this differs from manufacturer to manufacturer. If you destroy your hard drive, don't blame me.